Good morning. Time to start the day. It's Sunday. Let's do it. It's a nice day out today. Beautiful here in Columbus. Gonna be about 60 degrees. Gonna go run some errands. And there's also something else I want to show you guys, so you'll see that later in the episode. So let's get it going. Alright, we're in Dublin at Glick Park, O'Shaughnessy's Dam, which you can see right back here. This is the dam. That's the lookout. There's Steve. So it's beautiful out here. Didn't even know this was here. Just found it today. Just gives you guys an idea of how big this actually is. I mean, look at all this. How big it is. All the way down to there. It's huge. It's huge. And it's beautiful. Absolutely gorgeous. Gorgeous, gorgeous. Down closer to the falls now. It's amazing down here. Very scenic. I can't believe this is in Columbus. Well, Dublin technically, but still. Here's Steve. He's taking pictures. But I'm gonna take the drone out. Leaving the dam now. Gorgeous place. Glad Steve showed it to me. Got some great footage. Did you get footage, Steve?
I did. I got a lot of great footage.
He got footage too. It's beautiful.
Good pictures too.
And my drone almost got attacked by a buzzard or a falcon or whatever birds they have here.
That was crazy.
It was crazy. Now we're off to Aquarium Adventure for snails.
Snails.
It's like the least climatic transition.
But there's still
From falcons to snails.
There's still plenty of time left.
In like 2 minutes. 2 minutes. Alright, pit stop before snails, Panera Bread. I'm hungry, we're hungry, we need lunch. Alright, lunch is done. Going to Aquarium Adventure to get snails. This is their new location in Hilliard. They were in Dublin, but they moved. So. Look at the size of this monster. That's so funny. And stingrays, those are the coolest. What else is in there?
Another stingray.
Another stingray? Ah, there he is. Alright, leaving Aquarium Adventure, got our snails. They're in there, they're just not very they're in their shells. They're not very epic creatures, but they're gonna eat the other snails that we don't want in the tank. So I guess off to Family Dollar and then home. Family Dollar, gotta find a shelf for my desk at work. Yeah. Family Dollar didn't have my shelf, so now we're trying Target, so we'll see if they have it. It's almost impossible to find anything in this store. It's crazy. Target. They don't have the shelves either. No one has shelves. I don't know what else to do. I got strawberry jam for my sandwiches, so that's cool. Ugh. Okay, after 3 or 4 stores, I finally have a shelf. It took forever. Alright, random shopping's done for the day. Done a lot, got a lot done. Heading home to eat dinner now. This vlog's over now, so I'll see you next time. Bye-bye.